Samsung is getting ready to release One UI 5 watch for the next Galaxy Watch 6, which includes some much-needed upgrades. Samsung's alerts for irregular heartbeats are a recent addition to the Galaxy Watch OS and may alert consumers to problems before they examine themselves. In order to alert users to seek medical attention if they have abnormal heartbeats, the Galaxy Watch 5 uses sensors to conduct an electrocardiogram test. Since this test is on demand, users must manually determine whether they have an irregular pulse. Despite the tool's importance, it is unrealistic to anticipate that everyone would use it regularly. Samsung has worked to make it possible for the Health Monitor app to examine these measurements in the background in an attempt to be more proactive in the detection of irregular heartbeats. Samsung formally announced today that it has acquired FDA approval to deploy that background monitoring capabilities to Galaxy watches that could do an ECG. Users of the Galaxy Watch may now turn on the Samsung Health Monitor app to do ECG checks in the background. This function alerts users if a fib is found and assists in the identification of abnormal heartbeat rhythms. Samsung advises the user to do a manual ECG right after for better accuracy after getting the warning. Users of a manual ECG must assume a precise stance and put a finger on the watch in order to get a clear reading. The ECG function will be made available in the forthcoming One UI 5 watch upgrade, which Samsung plans to release with the Galaxy Watch 6 later this year. Samsung's version of Wear OS has advanced with the release of this upgrade. Users of the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 should also get this functionality if they join up for the One UI 5 watch beta. It's important to note that ECG readings are still only available to customers who have Galaxy phones connected to their Galaxy Watch, which severely restricts the usefulness for many. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.